Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing DietPi and the Raspbian Lite and see if which Raspberry Pi OS is best for 2025. So first, let's start with the DietPi. So the pros and cons, let's start with the pros. So it has lightning fast, ultra minimal image. Also, it has auto installer for popular software like the Pi-hole, Plex, and the Nextcloud. The configurable with ease via DietPi config and DietPi software. And it is also great for headless setups, SSH, and low resource hardware. For the cons is it has smaller dev community, not officially supported by Raspberry Pi Foundation, and some packages may lag behind main Debian repo. And the key features of this one is it has ultra lightweight image, so about 500 MB, and the highly optimized for performance or the minimal RAM and CPU usage, and DietPi software, which is one-click software installer. Now for the Raspbian Lite, so the pros is it is built and maintained by Raspberry Pi Foundation, and it has great hardware compatibility and community support. And lastly is stable Debian-based environment. For the cons is it has fewer out-of-the-box optimizations and a manual setup for many things like firewall, software, and services. And it is slightly larger footprint than DietPi. For the key features is the official Raspberry Pi OS, Debian-based, fully stable, and good hardware compatibility, so it is officially supported. And the modest system image size is 2.5 gigabyte. So the use of case recommendations is here in this section is the use case and the best OS here on the other side. So for beginners to Raspberry Pi, go with Raspbian Lite. If you want general CLI based Pi server, then go with Raspbian Lite. If you want lightweight headless setup, like for example Pi-hole and the NAS, go with DietPi. If you want performance critical LOT edge projects, then go with DietPi. If you want maximum package compatibility, then go with Raspbian Lite. And if you are automating installs and configurations, then go with DietPi. So the question is, which one wins in 2025? So for performance, DietPi is the winner. The ease of setup, DietPi. Stability and support, then go with Raspbian Lite. If you are a beginner, then go with Raspbian Lite. And if you want power user tools, then go with DietPi. So that's it for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!